before the presentation begins, I would like to say the Moko Bisaru. Itia daily eta homoyot ami kiba practice koribo lage. Itia kiba to hol, what can you do? I think you should take it as a task how you see the world through the viewfinder and how you really see it. Take that as a task. It is very difficult to find out the difference, but if you can find out the difference, your photography will improve. Think that the way you really see things and the way you see it through your viewfinder, totally two different kind of world. Discover that world. It is not necessary that you have to click a photograph there. You don't have to click a photograph. You just see through the viewfinder and see through your real eye. And if you are careful, you will find that these are two different ways of seeing. So, দুটা বেলেগ ধৰণে চোৱাৰ যেটো বস্তু হেতু জুনদিনা you will discover your composition will improve. So do that. Anything in your bedroom, in your drawing room, or wherever. Stand in the middle of your drawing room. Look at the right. Just look at the right through your eyes. And at the same position, you see it through your viewfinder. And try to find out what you are seeing differently. Of course, it is different. It is not the same thing. So the moment you will start to find out the difference, when you can judge the difference, your composition will improve. So this is not part of the lesson, or you can call it a part of the lesson into something you should try. This is very interesting. In some schools, not here, in international photography schools and other, if you join, first 3 months, they will not give you a camera. First, they will give you a table tennis bat kind of a thing. Table tennis bat or nishina ekhon bostu dibo, that eta viewfinder or G2 3:1, no, 3:2 G2 shape ase, he shape to kata thake. Heitur madere, you have to see everything. So learning to see through the viewfinder, that is the most important thing. You don't have to click. Look at my kagos pencil dhora dibo. Ki belag dekhisa, keneke dekhibo bisarisa, tar 3 mahor pisothe camera sobole dibo. So looking through the viewfinder is a totally different kind of a thing. So you can do with your camera. It's not necessary you need a cut-out table tennis bat.
This whole process is basically to analyze photographs. Enekwa hoy keneke ekhon photo sabo pari, tar bhul ki hoy, শুদ্ধ ki hoy, aesthetically kenekwa hobo pare ekhon photograph, ekhini bostu soar karone ei particular session to watch. This is not particularly a seminar or a workshop here. It's more like a discussion. So sir will be giving his inputs to a particular few images that we got from the whole lot that we received as a whole. So hekhini bhitor we have selected a few jikhini pora ami options kini kom aru etu enekwa nohoy je jar photo aha nai it's the end of it, or we will be doing this kind of discussions more. So jiman amar tat ei collection to bahi jabo, we will be assessing more such photographs and selecting from that. Baki about the particular software that you are using, yate in case if you have any queries to ask to the mentor, তেতিয়া হলে আপনার স্ক্রিনত আপনার বা আপনার নিজ উইন্ডোত কিছু অপশনস থাকিব লাইক রেজ হ্যান্ড. তো রেজ হ্যান্ড কইলে আমি গম পাম কোনে খুলিব বিচাৰিছে, or you can use a chat box, or যদি chat boxত দিগদাৰ পায় তেতিয়া হলে WhatsAppত I want to ask a question, I will relay that particular question to the mentor. Okay, so we can almost start, I guess. It's 6:43, 41 participants.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sir.
So today will be more like analysis, and through the analysis, we will try to find out how to do something in a better way or kind of thing, and kind of photographs that will come. So suppose it is about some certain kind of photograph, then we can discuss on that particular genre of photograph also, like that way. We will try to build up a certain. Plus, we already got a lot of photographs, 70 or 80, something like that. Okay, maybe it is not possible for go through all the photographs due to time limitation or other. Maybe 1.5 hour kind of a thing. So whatever is possible, I will try to deal with different kinds of photographs. And I will do it through the Photoshop, because it gives you an advantage that I can show you. So first, I will try with one of my photographs. This is one of my photographs taken during the last PCA photo walk at Banaskuri. First thing, this is a unsuccessful photograph. The opportunity was very good. It could have been a very good photograph, but this is unsuccessful. Now I will talk about a photocon cure unsuccessful. So look at the scenario first. Welcome to reality. The environment we see here, they all are kind of people who are struggling in their life, the reality of their life. The locality itself is not a posh kind of a locality. See, these persons are going daily labors, no, these people no, going, যিবিলাক ক'ৰবাত ট্ৰাকত উঠি গৈছে, মেজিকত উঠি গৈছে, সব নিজৰ নিজৰ কামত ওলাই গৈছে, ইত্যাদি ইত্যাদি. But so this welcome to reality, that something written on the t-shirt, and plus the situation, that was a great moment. But the photograph itself is not successful. My analysis is, because first thing is, I will start from the top. Not having the face is okay. It's not necessary that you must have the face. It seems like this person is carrying two heavy loads. Bikon hatote kiba godhur bostu ase, hoyto bojaro bag hobo, ittadi ittadi. That is his reality. ৰাতিপুৱাই কষ্টকৰ কামত জীৱন আৰম্ভ হৈ গৈছে, খুব সম্ভৱ তেওঁ পানীৰ বাল্টি দুটা লৈ গৈছিল. If I don't get the face, it's okay, but I didn't get the two heavy loads he is carrying. That's the main problem of this photograph. So this photograph is unsuccessful only because of that. Physical expression is fine. Physical expression of jitu dekhai goise teor body hator jitu stress korise, gom poa jay je teo khub duta godhur bostu dangi ase. Baki atmosphere sob gutte bostu kini welcome to reality logot dhuniya ka fit hoy goise. Kintu ei bostu kita adhao jodi ahileten, tetia hole it would have been a very successful photograph. That was the reason why this was not successful, and why I was not successful in this situation. In case of street photography, you always target your subject at least 10-12 feet in front of you. যিটো সাবজেক্টে ইন্টারেস্ট ক্রিয়েট কৰিছে সেই সাবজেক্টটো একটা 10-12 ফুট দূৰত থাকোতেই টার্গেট কৰিব লাগিব তেতিয়াহে কম্পোজিশন কৰা মানে ইচ্ছামতে কম্পোজিশন কৰাৰ চান্স থাকে this person I was too close by the time I realized that this can be a great shot the moment was gone he was so close maybe 3 or 5 feet around okay so I couldn't get the shot. So first কথাটো হল স্ট্রিটত এটা বস্তু চাব লাগে ইন্টারেস্টিং স্টোরি স্টোরিটো ইন্টারেস্টিং হলে নহব তাক ফটোখনত ইন্টারেস্টিংলি আউটকাম এটা ক্রিয়েট কৰিব পাৰিব লাগে সো আউটকামটো ক্রিয়েট কৰিবলৈ হলে ফাইনাল প্ৰডাক্ট স্টোরিটো ভাল হলে যে আমি দি দিও তেনেকুৱা নহয় ফাইনাল প্ৰডাক্টৰ ওপৰত টোটাল বস্তুটো ডিপেন্ড কৰিব and always be very ruthless to yourself means if you have done any mistake throw it to the can do not behave like your somebody told me before do not care your photos in a blind kind of love that sort of if it is not good it is not good you should be the first person to decide that this is not good. So that thing is very necessary for any compromise to yourself is bad. Bad in the sense that you will always find out an excuse to not to do good, not to do too well. So that is my problem. And this problem was due to my timing. So in street photography, always target a subject or keep a distance in such a way 10 to 12 feet something is happening 10 to 12 feet 10-12 feet আগৰ পৰাই অংক আৰম্ভ কৰিব লাগে কোনটো এংগুলৰ পৰা লম কি কম্পোজিশন কৰিম এই ষ্টৰীটো বুজাবলৈ হলে মোক কি লাগিব ইত্যাদি ইত্যাদি গোটেই ক্যালকুলেশন কৰি ক্লিক কৰা মানে এনেকুৱা এটা হ'ব লাগিব যে you have ample time to get it right. So that was the first one. This is a landscape kind of photograph. Somebody sent. I forgot to find out the name. Okay, let's find out the name if there is it. Avinash Rabha. Avinash Rabha sent this photograph. There are 2 or 3 main problems regarding here. First, the color is more or less okay. Saturation a little bit more, and this is imbalanced in some way that there's a bit darker here, a bit brighter here. That sort of imbalance is there. Ekhini bahiro, imbalance or bahiro, yat 3ta man bostu ase, jigita ami avoid koribo lage. First thing is that this ratio, this is G2 ratio photocon crop kora hoise. This is a very unusual ratio. Unusual ratio পঢ়াত কোনো বাধা নাই কিন্তু it looks odd. This is more than 16:9. Problem to hold this is more than 16:9. See? This is 16:9 into it is more than 16:9. This is one problem. So always use a proper ratio, proper printable ratio. সাধাৰণতে কি কৰো ফটো বনালো ফটো বনাই আমি প্রিন্ট কৰো a destination of a photograph is supposed to be a print so printot কিছুমান proper ratio থাকে like 4:5 5:7 2/3 16:9 1:1 এনেকে কিছুমান ratio থাকে কথাটো এটো নহয় যে আমি এনেকুৱা ৰেশিওটো ফটো কাটিব বা ফটো ক্ৰপ কৰিব নোৱাৰো তেনেকুৱা নহয় কিন্তু কথা হল এইখন ফটো মই এনেকে ক্ৰপ কৰি দি দিলো ফটোখন খুব ফেমাস হ'ল কোনোবা এটা কৰ্পোৰেট হাউসে কিনিব বিচাৰিলে ফটো বোলে 50,000 টকা দিম এই ফটোখন আমাক 5:7 হিচাপে ডাঙৰ প্ৰিন্ট লাগে 10-12 হিচাপত আমাক ডাঙৰ প্ৰিন্ট লাগে তেতিয়া কি হ'ব when you will go for 10-12 ফটোখন কাটা যাব য'ত it will not fit into 10-12 then the original jitu beauty sai manujane photokhon kinisil original jitu teo dekhi bhal lagi photokhon kinisil he will reject it number 1 problem hol hetu moi photokhon sai bhal logar pisot photokhon jodi moi printot bisaru tetia hole exactly moi bhal loga print tu muk dibo paribo lagi ditiyo kotha eneko print koribo pari but that will cost you extra এনেকে প্ৰিন্ট কৰিবলৈ গলে কি হ'ব ই যেহেতু এটা স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফরম্যাটত নাই তেতিয়া হলে ইট উইল কষ্ট ইউ এক্সট্রা এটো এটা মেইন প্রবলেম সো অলওয়েজ ট্রাই টু crop your photograph in a standard ratio standard printable ratio কারণ আমি আৰু এটা কথা আমি printable ratio এটা চাই অভ্যস্ত আমি সদায় printable ratioতে চাই ফটো এখন 9% of the time we see it only in printable ratio. There are 2-3% of photographs that is done by very good artists, very good photographer internationally. They make odd size and they print it like that. That is a practice, very exclusive practice. আমি এতিয়া যেতিয়া বেছিভাগ মানুহ আমি লার্নিং পিরিয়ডত আছো এক্সক্লুসিভ practice to আমি পিছলৈ যাম প্ৰথমতে আমি অ আ ক খ খিনি শিকি লবই লাগিব তাৰ পিছতে এক্সক্লুসিভ জাগাল পইণ্ট বিলাকৰ কথা number 2 this is horizontal is no this horizon is what we call it tilted horizon বুলি দি দিলে বহুতে মানে মই যেতিয়া দিও কমেন্টত tilted horizon বুলি কলে কি বস্তু বুজি নাপায় tilted horizon মানে horizontal বেকা হৈ আছে horizon means this the line between sky earth or sky and water এই যেটো লাইন আছে এই লাইনটো হল horizon let's see how is it working if you put a pointer there see this is not straight horizon line to সদায় straight হ'ব লাগে straight নহলে কি হয় straight নহলে it looks odd because আমি horizon to কেতিয়াও বেকাকে দেখা নাপাও horizon আমি সদায় যেনেকৈ নাচাও আমি উল্টি বাগৰি যেনেকৈ নাচাও লাগিলে horizon আমি চকুৰে সদায় সিধাই দেখিম so tilted horizon is unnatural এতিয়া কিছু মানে কব তাৰ মানে tilted horizonৰ কি ফটো হ'ব নোৱাৰে নেকি পাৰে when you are talking something about unusual when you are talking something about very odd এতিয়া আমি general 95% landscape photography to আমি কিবা odd কিবা এটা express কৰিব না যাও unusual কিবা এটা তো আমি সব landscape তে express কৰিব না যাও গটিকে maximum time that it should be horizontal আৰু এনেকুৱা মই কিবা এটা odd feelings create কৰিব বিচাৰিছো then only we can go tilt the horizon that will take time in your experience in your way of thinking and other only when you find out something very odd to express only when you find out something very odd to express then only use this tilted horizon but see 95% 98% of the time there is no chance that a tilted horizon will be a successful photograph another thing what is a landscape photograph landscape photograph is like a story that continues from the foreground to the middle ground to the background. It always has these 3 elements in them. Okay, 3 layers kind of thing. So if you find something in the foreground that is very nice, you can use it as leading something. You can use that. There are a lot of other such opportunities to make it better. Plus, you have a middle ground, something happening there. Then you have a background, and if you find something happening there, the thing is, first thing is that one more important point is that do not cut your frame into a pani. Do not cut your frame into half, 50, 50. That is not wrong, but that is too common. Problem is that is too common. That is too boring. That is very less interesting. Most of the successful landscape photographs, if you আমি যদি চাব যাওঁ ল্যান্ডস্কেপ ফটোগ্ৰাফি অলপ আমি ইফালে ইফালে যদি চাওঁ তেতিয়া দেখা যাব যে সাধাৰণতে হৰাইজন লাইনডাল হয় এনেকুৱা 2/3 মানত থাকে নহয় এনেকুৱা 2/3 মানত থাকে তেতিয়া হলে কি হয় ল্যান্ডস্কেপ ফটোখন আমি দুটা ভাগে বিভক্ত কৰিব পাৰোঁ যেনেকৈ the interesting part of it and the uninteresting part. So the part that is very interesting, keep more of it. Part that is less interesting, keep less of it. যেনেকে ধৰি ললো ইয়াত এখন নাও আছে আৰু দুই তিনিখন নাও আছে কিবা কিবি আছে so this whatever the পানী থকা foreground এই এলেকাটো very interesting তো এই এলেকাটো বেছি ৰাখিব লাগে কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা হ'ব যে আকাশত বিৰাট সাংঘাতিক ডাৱৰ আছে ডাৱৰৰ গধূলি ডাৱৰৰ ধুনীয়া খেলা হৈছে ধুনীয়া কালাৰ হৈছে ধুনীয়া প্যাটাৰ্ন হৈছে then you keep more of the sky less of the less of the foreground তেনেকে যোনটো পাৰ্ট বেছি ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং সেই পাৰ্টটো বেছি ৰাখিব লাগে আৰু এই যে হৰাইজন যেটো মাজত পৰিছে ইয়াতে 50-50 ডিভাইড হৈছে হয় হেতু 2/3 ওপৰলৈ যাব লাগে যদি তলত খুব ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং কিবা হৈছে আৰু নহলে তললৈ এনেকুৱা আহিব লাগে যদি ওপৰত কিবা ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং হৈছে that is the third thing. Another is this portion. সাধাৰণতে এইখিনিত বস্তু থাকিলে খুব ভাল লাগে that is called foreground element. But here this thing doesn't look like a foreground element. Is যদিও আছে it doesn't say anything, it doesn't look attractive, it doesn't give you a prominent shape, etc. etc. So I would rather use it in a different way or I will avoid it. Two ways. কিবা এটা থাকিলে নহব থাকা যেটো বস্তু থাকা আছে সেই বস্তুটো ইন্টারেস্টিং হ'ব লাগে যেনেকে এই নাওখন ইন্টারেস্টিং ঠিক এই বস্তুটো এনেকুৱা ইন্টারেস্টিং হোৱা নাই যদি ওয়াইড অ্যাঙ্গল 24 mm ৰ ওচৰত গৈ এটো ডাঙৰকে যদি পালো হেতেন জাস্ট আমি ইমাজিনিং কাৰণ ইয়াতে কেনেকুৱা সিচুৱেচনত শট লোৱা হৈছে এটোটো মই গম নাপাম যদি ইয়াক এটা ভাল প্যাটাৰ্ন ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিব পাৰিলো হেতেন then it will be a interesting foreground. So the point is foregroundত কিবা এটা থাকিলে ফটোখন ইন্টারেস্টিং হয় that's okay কিন্তু হে foregroundত থকা কিবা এটা বস্তুটো itself interesting হ'ব লাগে it should not look like a garbage যে কোনো অৰ্থ নোহোৱা শেপ এটা পৰি আছে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'ব নালাগে otherwise the color is okay almost okay not very saturated. Only in the left portion on the top, it is a bit saturated. আৰু এটা বস্তু সাধাৰণতে যিকোনো বস্তু সাধাৰণতে নাও বা এনেকুৱা পানীত থকা বস্তুৱে হওক বা মাটিত থাকিলেও ল্যান্ডস্কেপত যে এনেকুৱা হয় এই যে নাৱৰীয়াজন আছে বুজিছেনে এই নাৱৰীয়াজন যে আছে he is overlapped by the the background this element. So camera to হয়তো আৰু তলৰ পৰা নহয় আৰু ওপৰৰ পৰা এনেকৈ ললে যদি এই নাৱৰীয়াজনৰ মাথাটো যদি স্পষ্টকে ওলাই ঠিক তেওঁৰ মাথাটোৰ পিছফালে যদি এই পট্টিটো নপৰে then it will look better. গতিকে that is called overlapping. there overlapping is another problem. Bahut khetrot overlapping is a huge problem. So here আমি আন্তাজে কৰিছো আমি দেখিছো চিনি পাইছো এই কাৰণে আমি জানিছো যে নাওৰিয়া বুলি but visually it is not very appealing because this person is almost half of the person is almost disappeared in the background. Lydia. So in this photograph, first always you use a proper ratio. If you want panoramic kind of a ratio, go for 16 into 9. If you are going for a standard print kind of a thing, then go for 5:7 or 7:5 or go for 11:18. Those standard proper the standard crop ratio. Use those standard crop ratio. So summary on this photograph. I mean landscape kenekwa ki photo, what is landscape iman duroloi na jao. Kotha landscape korute prothom bostu first bostu sabo lage okol landscape buli nohoy jikunu photographat that your horizon should be straight. Horizon beka mane beka means it's not a like jeneke ami ejo juta kinilu dui pate khu bhori ulal. It is something like that. Juta kina mane epat ba bhori hobo laibo epat khu bhori hobo laibo. Thik teneke horizon beka mane dupat khu bhori juta kina eke bostu. So do not tilt your horizon. Always keep that in mind. Another thing, use a normal or proper ratio, printable ratio, 7:5, 7.5 and 5 will also do. So keep your horizontal straight, avoid 50-50. No, avoid 50-50 division, okay? Avoid 50-50 division. Try to make it into 2/3 kind of a composition, either on the below 2/3 or in the upper 2/3. Only the thing, eta bostu khali monot rakhibo lage, jintu part interesting besi, he part to basic ke rakhibo lage, jitu part interesting kom, he part to kom ke rakhibo lage. So it just create an imbalance there. So I will see, I don't like, or nobody actually, no viewers like to see balance. Means we, another dilemma that is here. Balance is something we always seek. Our mind always look for balance. Into sidhai jodi balance to pai jao, tetia hole mu photo kon sabologia eko nai. Photo kon moi kio sam? It should create some curiosity. Curiosity eta নহলে মই photo এখন না চাও এতিয়া যদি মই এখন বাটারফ্লাই ফটো চাও বোর হৈ যাম যিকোনো মানুহে এখন বাটারফ্লাই সোয়া ফটো সোৱাৰ পিছত বোর হৈ যাব ঠিক তেনেকুৱা বস্তু যিটো বস্তু আমি সদায় দেখিয়ে থাকো we tend to get bored তাৰ মাজতে যদি এখন বাটারফ্লাই ফটো অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ হয় your interest will stand there for a time বাকি কিখনতকে হে ফটোখন চাবলৈ আমাৰ কিউৰিওসিটিটো বেছি আহিব. That is the only logic. So make your photograph in such a way, create a little bit imperfection, like imbalance and many other things are there. So manue sabole curiosity eta pai. That is the only reason. Another thing is avoid these kind of overlappings here. Jot bujibole okubida hoy ei manutu mathato jodi pani enekwat ulai thakile heten etia hole khub bhal lageten ba alo uporotu enege thakile heten etio bhal lagile heten. Okay. Foreground element, always try to use foreground element, but the elements should be interesting. And now I will try to share another photo. Let's see. This one is actually a very interesting photograph. Interesting. And photoখন tulute bahut calculation koribo laga hoise shutter speed ityadi. Okay. The subject itself successful. Jitu outcome pattern bicharisile ba jitu uddeshyo korisile, that is successful. কিন্তু দুই তিনটা ইয়াৰ এলিমেন্ট আছে যিকিটা দি ইয়াৰ সেই যিটো ইম্প্যাক্ট হ'ব লাগিছিলে সেই ইম্প্যাক্টটো কমি গৈছে যেনেকৈ the background doesn't fit with the drama of the situation. Background to যিটো situation হৈছে ইয়াতে background to ফ্ৰণ্টত যিটো ঘটনাটোৰ যিটো ড্ৰামা সেই ড্ৰামাটো মিনিমাইজ কৰি দিছে maybe some other kind of background jot ei distracting elements bilak nathakile heten background to oti sadharon hodai dekha dhornor enekwa ghorot hodai dekha dhornor background hoise kintu frontot jitu ghoti ase setu quite dramatic hey duta bostu yat match kora nai otherwise this is a good photograph plus it is direct photoconot aru eta element use hole khub bhalo leten that is this is eye level photograph almost in the eye level so yes jodi eye level to break koribo pora goleten means if you shoot a little bit low etia hole ki hobo sadarante tolor pora jodi ami shoot koru subject to empowering jen lage olop dangor hoi joa jen lage size dangor hoi gole it impact to beleg dhornor hoy সাধাৰণতে আমি বহুত তেনেকে চাই দেখো সাধাৰণতে এতিয়া কোনোবা এটা বলিষ্ঠ ক্যাৰেক্টাৰ দেখাব হয় বলিষ্ঠ কিবা এটা বুজাবলৈ হয় ইম্প্যাক্টফুল কিবা এটা বুজাব হয় এতিয়া হলে কি হয় সেই বস্তুটো সাইজটো লাৰ্জাৰ দেন লাইফ হলে বেছি দেখিবলৈ ভাল হয় বা ইম্প্যাক্টটো ইমিডিয়েটলি পৰে সেই বস্তুটো ইয়াতে ইউটিলাইজ কৰিব পাৰাৰ ভাল সুবিধা আছে So otherwise, what is happening here? It is very good, appreciable. So I will say it is a good outcome. Jiman khini kosto kori kaamtu korise, jiman tu bhabi uliaise, he mote jitu outcome a dramatic situation to hobo lagisil hetu thike hoise. Into this very ordinary background has minimized the effect of the photograph. Plus, jodi alop low angular pra lole heten, etia hole a subject or height enukwa dhana hole imposing eta feel eta ahile heten. That imposing feel is not here now. This photograph was sent by
Manas Datta.
Manas Datta. It's a good, well done. People oriented travel shot buli kobo paru travel shot hobo pare people photography hobo pare street photography hobo pare thik tenekwa dhornor jonarat goise and the whole series is there 1 2 and 3 photographs let me get it into the right position okay situation was interesting at interesting muhurto kisuman situation of photo loa hoise kintu gute ki kon photo eta offbeat ot pori goise thik jeneke elok a b c d eneke ase a pra beat porile bhal lagile ten kintu a aru b er majot pori goise b pra c gusi gole bhal hoten kintu b aru c er majot offbeat mane tal to hur to mane tar offbeat ot porise onno eko nai first thing is that yet ekhone sabol gole you have a very good background there very illustrating background to side and you are using a diagonal form diagonal placement of elements is a very credible part of composition diagonally jetia amar subject placement hoy photokhon khub interesting hoy number 1 and the textures, element, patterns and other ebilake photokhon aru interesting korise plus ei bostu kinie kuntu jagat photokhon tula hoise ei bikhoy bahut information dise. Only problem is here is that they are in the dead center. Again, dead center is very uninteresting. সাধাৰণতে এটো আমি কব নোৱাৰো যে সেন্টাৰত দিলে ফটোখন বেয়া হ'ব তেনেকুৱা কথা নহয় কথাটো হ'ল কি সেন্টাৰৰ পৰা যদি অলপ অফ সেন্টাৰ হয় ধৰি লওক এই মানুহজনে এইখিনিত নহয় যদি এইখিনিত হলহেতেন ঠিক এইখিনি হতে যদি ফটোখন মাৰা গলহেতেন then it will be more interesting. যে ঠিক সেন্টাৰত চোৱাৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ল এই খালি জায়গা বিলাকৰ ফালে আমাৰ চকু না যায় সিধা চকুটো আমাৰ এইখিনিতে যায় এইখিনিতে শেষ হয় কিন্তু এই দুটা বস্তু এইখিনি যদি থাকিলেতেন তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ চকুৱে ঘূৰি ফুৰিবলৈ এটা সুবিধা পালেহেতেন ইমব্যালেন্স আমি যেটো ইমব্যালেন্স বুলি কওঁ এতিয়া চকুৱে ঘূৰিবলৈ সুবিধা পালে এতিয়া মাজতে চাই দিয়াৰ পিছত আৰু হ'ল আৰু মাজতে দেখিলো হ'ল খেলা খতম আকৌ এবাৰ চাবৰ কোনো অৰ্থ নাই তাৰ সেই বস্তুটো হৈ যায় গতিকে if you want to make your photograph interesting try to keep your subject off the center কোনো এনেকুৱা হিসাব নাই যে কিমান দূৰত ৰাখিব লাগিব এইখিনিতে ৰাখিব লাগিব নে এইখিনিতে ৰাখিব লাগিব নে এইখিনিতে ৰাখিব লাগিব তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোনো হিসাব নাই এটো নিজৰ মনৰ এটা হিসাবত চাব লাগে যাতে সেন্টাৰত যেন নালা আৰু এটা বস্তু চাব লাগে মেইন ঘটনাটো কোন ফালে ঘটি আছে সেই হিসাবে তাক ইয়াত হ'ব পাৰে বা ইয়াত হ'ব পাৰে এটো ডিসাইড কৰিব লাগিব নেক্সট ফটোখন একটা এলাকাতে লোৱা this is now interesting see subject is not in the middle that's a good point there's a space open here and this way she is going that is important so yate almost subject is in the right place it is fulfilling that two-third theory you have in a composition rule of the third or things like that মই হলে ইয়াত কি কৰিলো হেতেন any improvement আৰু 2 সেকেন্ড মই ললো হেতেন যাতে মানুহজনে হেডটো ইয়াৰ পৰা थोड़ा सा আতৰি গুছি যায় one step थोड़ा सा like this way that এই খুটাটো আৰু এই মানুহজনে যদি সেপাৰেট কৰিব পাৰিলো হেতেন then it will be better এখানে কৈছে it is off time ত শুট বিলাক গৈ আছে ঠিক এটো ধৰি লওক ডি পৰা সিৰ মাজত পৰি গৈছে তাৰমানে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ অফ হৈ গৈছে সো এই বিলাক বস্তু সৰু বস্তু বিলাক পলিশ কৰিব লাগিব আমি but this is a good composition it's a very good composition indeed খালি আৰু অলপ এনেকুৱা এটা পৰিবেশ যদি পালো হেতেন এই সিচুৱেশনটোত কেনেকুৱা হৈছে ধৰি লওক আপুনি এখন গাড়ীত আছে তেতিয়া হয়তো আপুনি তেনেকে মই কোৱা ধৰণৰ সবটো লব নোৱাৰে but there are a lot of variables there but as a viewer when I will see what I will find out as a viewer what I will find out is first is a good composition okay আগৰ নিচিনা ইয়াৰ interesting pattern is there plus জেগাটো কেনেকুৱা হয় হেতু বিষয় ধুনিয়া এটা পৰিচয় দিছে কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ মানুহ গৈ আছে হেতু ভাল পৰিচয় এটা দিছে দ্বিতীয় কথা its position of the subject is in a very good place not in the middle like before okay only situation is that এই খুটাটো আৰু এই মানুহজনৰ মাজত এটা সেপাৰেশন যদি ক্ৰিয়েট হলহেতেন মেবি আৰু 2 সেকেন্ড পিছত ফটোখন ললে এই সেপাৰেশনটো হয়তো ধুনিয়াকে ওলাই গলে that is the only problem I am seeing in this photograph people's shots are generally like that and most of the time let's go for the next shot here again that is the problem here again good situation ফটোখন অকমান হয়তো বেকা হৈ আছে थोड़ा सा টিল্ট হৈ আছে এনেকুৱা এটা ফিল এটা হৈছে মই জুখি নাসা জুখি সোৱা নাই কিন্তু হেকানে এক্স্যাক্টলি কব নোৱাৰো Again here, they should be somewhere here. Iman man paute shot to love like Iman man paute jeti shot to love like tetia hole more mind to tell look or logote go take it. এইখিনি পাইছে এইখিনি পা আৰু এইফালে আগুৱাই যাব এনেকুৱা এই গলেই টাইপ ভাব এটা হৈছে মানে এতিয়া ফটো আমি যদি অসমীয়াত সাধাৰণ অসমীয়াত ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰো মানে ফিলিংছটো এই তেওঁলোক গলেই আৰু এইখিনি যদি মানুহ দেখা তেতিয়া মই চাই ভাল লাগিলেহেঁতেন আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ লগতে মই গৈ থকাৰ নিচিনা ফিলিংছ এটা ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিব পাৰিম otherwise exposure wise these patterns that are creating is a good thing only we need our experience hoi goi thakile photo bari goi thakibo plus do not shoot only one shot moi last shot dekham moi how to shooting workflow kene ko hobo never shoot a single shot এই সিচুয়েশনত মই যদি থাকো মই 6-7টা শট লম only for this বাকি বিলাকৰ কথা মই বাদে দিলো বাকি তিনিখন ফটো তাৰ মানে এই সিচুয়েশনটো at least I will go for 12 shots and out of that I will find out the best one and I will throw out the rest so composition neat and clean হোৱাৰ এটা পৰিবেশ সৃষ্টি কৰিব লাগিব নিজৰ মাজতে এটা ডিসিপ্লিনড এটা ডিসিপ্লিনাৰী মেথড নিজৰ ভিতৰত ৰাখিব লাগিব quite disciplinary যে কোনো ক্ষেত্ৰত মাফ নাই you have to be very very focused very very precise and very serious about what you do and don't get satisfied very easily and be your ruthless critic you should be your worst critic if you want to go further and I will go for one more shot that is not very this is by Deepika Roy shot is by Deepika Roy it's the moment is good in a way focus is not very sharp I suppose let me say focus is not very sharp that's okay because no kick lens and things like that there are a lot of things we have time for those things first thing is that there are a lot of things in the photograph besides the bird that are quite unnecessary suppose a blurry foreground a bostu to this phale ulai joa a khuta to okay and these things are distraction these things are not helping the photograph my suggestion is shoot it in another situation not here ঠিক আছে মই ফটো মাৰি আছো এনেকেও মই পাই গলো but put it in your rejected list this photograph you should put in your reject list try again shoot again okay find out somewhere a situation to moi marilo photo I cannot do anything enekwai hobo so I will wait for a little bit more I will try to find out if the bird moves somewhere else and I will find out a better situation where I don't get this distraction these things are totally distracted something but initial ami jitu chesta korisu that is a very good something okay eneke ami arambho koribo lagibo moyo eneke arambho korisilu etu nohoy je moi photo beya tulu amuke photo bhal tule itadi it's not like that way it all depends on the mane experiment plus experience goi bhal hoi rahibo enekwa photo moyo tulisilu eta homo but slowly I learned slowly I found out that what is good what is bad and then only it improves okay if you do not shoot bad photographs you will never be able to shoot good photographs so this is the point here that these distractions should be avoided otherwise proportion wise this is a good one
okay sir
enekwa situation hole ki hobo lagibo you have to just avoid this situation Yeah, this is a no photo situation. So wait again. Maybe after 2 hours, the bird will go somewhere else. কোনোবা বেলেগ এটা জেগাত বহিলে য'ত এইবিলাক distraction নাই. Then you shoot it. Main situation, main বস্তুটো হ'ল কি আমি recognize কৰাটোৰ ওপৰত. আজিৰ পিছত আমি recognize কৰিম যে এই distraction বিলাক আমি avoid কৰিব লাগে. Another week, your photo will improve. Let's talk about this photograph. See, first thing about this photograph is that this is neat and clean. You can see how precise the person is in her or his job. This is by Puspita Chaudhary. Okay. Yet, I mean, the Junjon Manwe photogon tulise. They are thinking to kiman precise. They are kiman control kori situation to photo tulise. এই গোটেই বস্তুখিনি ফটোখন দেখিলে আমাৰ ভাব হয় এই ডিসিপ্লিনটো লাগিব দিস ইজ এ টোটালি ডিসিপ্লিন ওয়ে টু লা ফটো it's not that you just see it and click it no everything is calculated এই খুঁটাডাল এখিনিতে দিম নে এখিনিতে দিম that calculation is there whoever has taken this photograph এইডাল এখিনিত দিম নে এখিনিত দিম. This is also calculated. This is also calculated. See, you can see the calculation in the photograph. You can see the discipline of the photographer. You can see how focused the photographer is. এই বস্তুটো আমাক লাগিব ইয়াৰ কি বুজাইছে হেতু আমি পিছলৈ যাম কিন্তু কথা হল this neatness is your first priority. এই neatness to মই ক'ত পাম যদি মই নাপাওঁ তেতিয়াহলে I will reject that photograph. এতিয়া সেইখন ফটো মোৰ নিজৰ যিখন মই ফটো দেখালো that was one of my favorite photograph that I throw to the dustbin. So what is happening? It looks like a chimney. It looks like a chimney that is throwing out what we call this dhua kind of a thing. So you need this discipline here. This is good. Yesterday by Jitu Haller, perfect timing. But only the timing is there, nothing else. Timing is very good. He has done a very good job in finding it, clicking it in the right moment. That outcome is okay, but the background has ruined the whole photograph. So, though jodi moi bostuto dekhisu ba bhal lagise, but this background is distracting me. It is kind of a tug of war between the background and the subject. If it is a plain background or if it is something else, maybe the sky, maybe not this gate, I can see the gate, I can see the pink wall and other, okay? So this is quite distracting. This portion is the perfect timing and outcome. But the total, this is not a successful photograph. And moreover, this is too, what do we call it? Maybe a shot from here, this face, a little bit face. Face should be in around 45-degree angle kind of a see, where you can see one eye and the nose and the other cheek. A large galor, ekhon gal dangor ke dekha, aru ekhon gal okoman horu ke dekhar jitu angle. That angle will look better. And the background. Next time you find out a plain background and shoot against light, I will suggest try it in against light. It will be great. This outcome is great. The presentation is not. That's the only problem. This is a very good composition. I must say this is a very good composition, but very bad color. and very rough in processing. আমি যেটো নীলা নীলা যেটো ইয়াত দেখি আছো এটো ঠিক ন্যাচারালি আমি হেতু নীলা নীলা দেখা নাপাম ইয়াতকৈ হয়তো একচুয়াল কালারটো অলপ বেলেগ আছে color you enhance do not add enhance kora aru add kora duta beleg bostu enhance kora mane hol jitu already color tat ase সেই কালারটোক আরো অলপ প্রমিনেন্ট করা এটু কয় এনহান্স করা আৰু এটু জিটু কৰিছো this is a build up color processed color বাকি এই foreground elements অলপ আগতে জি কৈ আছিল the foreground elements is a very good something but it must be something interesting here it is very interesting yate jitu foreground elements ase খুব interesting element that's why you are feeling good foreground middle ground background ধুনিয়াকে story to হৈ গৈছে again etu অলপ মাঝে মাঝে পৰিছে etu আৰু অলপ foreground to ৰাখি আৰু কমান পাহাৰটো যদি ইমানলৈ উঠাই দিয়া হয় তো তেতিয়া আৰু অলপ ভাল লাগিব that is another thing so composition wise this is a very good composition good use of foreground element it is horizontal is totally straight that's a good thing okay ইয়াত আৰু অকমান মিডলৰ পৰা ওপৰলৈ উঠাই 50-50 to break কৰিব পৰা গ'লহেতেন okay that is another thing but you have to take care of your processing or ক্ষেত্ৰত ই অলপ color to artificially change হৈ গৈছে enhance নহয় change হৈ গৈছে so এটু ক্ষেত্ৰত মই suggest কৰিম যেতিয়া আমি process কৰো photoshopত যেতিয়া আমি process কৰো do not use the saturation slider use the vibration slider color of bhal koribole use vibration and white balance ei dutak use koribo lage saturation to color borhabor karone nohoy saturation is for decreasing color etia color bahut beshi jan laga hoy jay decrease the saturation 1 2 3 minus in my all photographs you will find -2 saturation is always -2 my vibration is from 12 to 20 saturation jiman baham color borbad hoy goi thake so I like this photograph very much this building here where it is in the 2/3 that is also looking good it's a very good cloud okay cloud formation is very good and the foreground is very good overall it is a very good photograph only the color has color and a little bit rough what we call a little bit rough processing অলপ rough laga hoise সেই দুটা বস্তুৱে খালি ইয়াতে improve কৰিব পৰা আছে otherwise everything is fine this one one is very good photogon bhal lagise angle to bhal lagise that is called imposing angle অলপ আগতে মই আগৰ ফটোখনত এই সাউলত যে যেটো লাভ সিম্বল টু ক্ৰিয়েট হৈছিল তাতে যে মই এটা কথা কৈছিলো যে ইম্পোজিং ফটো এখন ইম্পোজিং কৰিবলৈ কেনে লাৰ্জাৰ দেন লাইফ ইম্পোজিং ক্যাৰেক্টাৰ ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিবলৈ if you shoot from low angle then it looks good and these lights are also adding it ekebare bland background what ke a light to yate ye koise only minus thing is that this negative space a negative space to all of problem create kore a negative space to a phale no hoy jodi a phale holeten or thoda sa tetiya problem na se this negative space is a bit distracting otherwise it's a good photograph at a good angle okay imposing angle taken from below and conversion is more or less good and the lighting is very good okay half face like that way and the diagonal placement of the subject and these lights are also adding to the frame okay so I would say this is a good one Only thing that I found a bit difficult is this negative space here. This is almost looks like useless portions. It makes a bit odd kind of a feeling. Otherwise, it's a good one. Bula Gohaida?
Asu, Asu.
আছে
Okay.
So I am here.
Apuni koise tate apuni DH use korise photo khona. Actually, DH to eta hanghatik bostu aru খুব মিনিমাল ইউজ কৰিব লাগে প্ৰথম কথা ডিএছ ইউজ কৰা হয় সাধাৰণতে খুব কুঁৱলী ধৰণৰ যিটো পিছফালে আপোনাৰ যিটো নাইকিয়া হৈ যায় তেনেকুৱা ক্ষেত্ৰত ডিএছ কৰিলে কুঁৱলীটো কাটি যায় পিছফালৰ বস্তুবিলাক ধুনীয়াকৈ দেখা পোৱা যায় that is one purpose of DH means is to কমাই দিয়া সেইটো কৰাৰ বাবে যাওঁতে তাৰ দুটা বস্তু হয় এটাটো হি বস্তুবিলাক ওভাৰ sharper নিচিনা কৰি দিয়ে ৰাফ এটা টেক্সচাৰ ক্ৰিয়েট কৰি দিয়ে আৰু দ্বিতীয় কথা হি ব্লু কৰি দিয়ে আপুনি এনে নৰমালি ওয়ান কালাৰৰ ফটো এখন স্কাই থকা ফটো এখনত যেটো ওয়ান কালাৰ আছে যেটো অৰিজিনালি ফটোখন ব্লু নহয় তেনেকুৱা ফটো এখন ডিহেজ কৰি চাব দেখিব আপোনাৰ ব্লুটো বেছি প্ৰমিনেন্ট হৈ গৈছে শুনি আছে না সবে so your blue will get no enhanced abnormally hetu eta samasya ase and DH kiman use kore hetu
tar upor depend kore yes moi basically use korilu DH to
DH to moi koisu apunak up to 24 megapixel camera jar ase 24 megapixel leke 1 to 8
1
to 8 to plus 1 to 8 or ভিতৰত 5 6 4 এনেকুৱা ৰাখিব লাগে যাৰ 45 50 মেগাপিক্সেল আছে they can go up to 10 তাকো ডিপেন্ড কৰে কিন্তু নরমালি ডিএচ টো মই যিমান ইউজ কৰো যদি কৰবাত কৰো তেতিয়া হলে ইট হাৰ্ডলি 4 to 5 যদি 10 20 লৈ গুছি যায় আপোনাৰ ফটো একেবাৰে দেখিব বেয়া হৈ যায় হেতু এটা কথা প্লাস ডিএস টো ইউজ কৰি দ্বিতীয় কথা ডিএস টো ইউজ কৰা যত প্ৰয়োজন আছে তাতে কৰিম এতিয়া ধৰি লওক ডিসেম্বৰ মাহত কাজিৰঙাত আপুনি কুঁৱলীৰ মাজত এটা গড়ৰ ফটো তুলি আহিছে এই যে ডিসেম্বৰ মাহৰ কুঁৱলীৰ যিটো এটমস্ফিয়াৰ এই এটমস্ফিয়াৰটো যদি আপুনি ৰাখিব বিচাৰিছে then do not use DH আৰু যদি অকমান বলে মই বঢ়াব বিচাৰিছো তেনেহলে 3 বা 4 দিও আপুনি যদি 20 মান দি দিয়ে একদম গড়ে গছে পিছফালে ব্যাকগ্ৰাউণ্ডে সব স্পষ্ট হৈ যাব হেতু এটা তাৰ সমস্যা আছে
Is my voice audible, sir?
Yeah, it is.
Rajesh,
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir, and good evening to all of us. First thing I would like to tell you that I have attended so many webinars now, but this one is very unique regarding. It's a very informative. My question is that I have listened so many people that say this photograph is flat. It don't have three-dimensional view. Then I would like if you explained it with an example.
Means whether a photograph, how to create a photograph or how to create that three-dimensional feel in a photograph. That is your question, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can understand. So, three-dimension means we all know, no? Breadth, length, and that space in the front. But a photograph is two-dimensional. That's the problem. That's the problem, or that's the difference between how we see, ami keneke dekha pao, and how it looks in a photograph. That is the actual difference. So a photograph is two-dimensional. Means you can see it's how wide it is, or how width and width, tall, kiman tall. That is two. You cannot see the depth Okay, from the front to the infinity, that depth you cannot see. That thing you can create by adding elements in the photograph in a certain way.
Okay.
In a certain way means, suppose there should be something in the foreground, there should be something in the background, and there should be something in the middle. That way. Plus another thing, another very good way of doing it is by using your composition in a diagonal form.
Yes.
The only line that is three-dimensional is a diagonal line. A vertical line is two-dimensional. A horizontal line is two-dimensional. But a diagonal line is three-dimensional. So if you can use in these three sections things differently, plus if you can use it in a diagonal manner, that will give you a feel of three dimension. Let me show you one photograph or something, perhaps. Let's find out a two-dimensional photograph. See, this one is almost two-dimensional. This
Yes.
thing is almost two-dimensional. This thing is three-dimensional. You are not only feeling this, how wide it is, how tall it is, but you also feeling some kind of depth here.
Yes,
That is
yes.
created by these. That is created by
Diagonal
these lines. These two diagonal
Oh,
lines.
yes.
These diagonal lines. All these lines are as if that it has a third dimension there. So that is only selection and the selection of your angle, selection of your elements that is in the foreground, elements that is in the middle, elements behind it. Okay, that three things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to. Another thing is that use of diagonals. Use of diagonals. These are the things that helps to create that three-dimension thing. Same
Okay.
way.
Thank you.
Same way. One more photograph I will show you here. This one is also three-dimension because you can see from here infinity. That is because of this foreground element, the middle ground here, and the clouds here. If you are feeling like you are seeing it just standing there, not in the camera, when you will feel the same. Suppose you are standing in front of this location right now, and how you will see it? You will exactly see it like that. If you feel that then you know it is three-dimensional. So when you click it, place your elements in such a way that it can create the depth in the photograph. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next.
Surajita asked one question. What is the most common aspect ratio or accepted aspect ratio we should be going for?
I use 5.7, 7.5. That gives a moderate size of seeing things in the laptop size and other. 4:6 is the postcard size, very small. After that comes 7.5. After that come 10, 18, 11, 18, that way. So moderately where you can see it properly in a mobile camera, you can see it properly in a proper size in a laptop, etc., etc. 5.7 I found very convenient. Larger than that, it goes out. Suppose 12, 18 photograph. If I open it up and blow it up to 100%, then half of the photo will go beyond the laptop system. But in a 7.5, it just fits there. 7557, whatever, vertical and horizontal. That is the most suitable for most of the devices. Any more question?
Tridip Deka is asking, sir, kindly explain the use of burn tool during post processing.
Use a burn tool. Thing is, we are not doing any.
We are not doing any post processing today.
Post processing today. We are talking about analysis and other. So that will perhaps some other occasions we will go for that.
Then another question is Hiranmoy Basumatari is asking, is 4:3 a standard size crop?
Now 4:3 is for 4:3 is for that camera. What? 4/3.
Micro four thirds.
4/3. Micro 4/3 system. Our camera DSLR, our cameras.
Yeah, 2:3.
Canon, Nikon, all those cameras. That is 3:2. That is the screen size. Whatever you are getting, that is giving you that 3:2 ratio. So if you keep the ratio 3:2, then you get the whole sensor in your advantage. Suppose you have taken a photograph and you have taken it in such a way that you don't have to crop it again. Okay, you have utilized the full frame. Now, if you change it into 4:3 ratio, then some part will go cut off. 4:3 is for micro third camera system. Our system is 3:2. So 3:2 is the better one. 3:2 will fit 7.5 into 5 is 3:2 size. 7.5 will just cut a little bit. Next.
Any more questions? You can drop the questions in the chat box or. Okay. Mrityunjay Da is asking, may I ask what is Sagar Da's favorite genre of photography?
I don't have a genre. I don't have such idea actually. What interests me, I click what interests me. And also kind of I like to explore kind of different avenues kind of a thing. So if you call me whether you are that photographer or that photographer, it's very difficult for me to, because it's photography is kind of a nasha for me, and I do anything, any kind of brand will work. So I do not categorize myself. Now, my main idea is that what interests me, I like to photograph what interests me. And as you know that interest always changes. I don't stick to a certain kind of photography. That is a disadvantage, and that is also a advantage. Disadvantage in a way that you cannot be a very accurate or expert on a certain category. If you handle everything, it's a jack of all trade kind of a thing. So you cannot be that level of a standard or that level of an expert if you are doing only macro kind of. So you will be able to be a very expert person in macro photography after doing 10, 20 years of the same things and other. In case of wildlife photography also, it's like that. But I cannot help. I just get interested in everything. I want to put a finger in every part. Okay.
Then the next question is from Diganta Mudoy. Can we utilize negative space in a composition?
Yeah, negative space. When that space speaks, that is a positive space. When a negative space speaks or become part of the photograph, then that is a positive space. A negative space means a space that doesn't have any purpose in the photograph. It doesn't mean it is a khali place. Negative is the space doesn't mean that it is just a khali place, empty space. Negative space means a space or part of the photograph where nothing is happening. That is a negative space. But if you can change that nothing happening space to something meaningful, then it is a positive space. Let me check if I can find out any such photographs. There are a lot of such photographs. Everybody takes it, and sometimes it becomes negative, and sometimes it doesn't. As simple as that. Let's take this one. Okay, let's take this one. This is one. Suppose this is supposed to be a negative space in the normal way we talk about. Okay, it is an empty space, nothing is there. Okay, there's a subject is somewhere here. Okay, but this negative space is playing something with the positive space here. The ambience or the feeling of that young girl standing alone there. Okay, that feeling is, this person is also responsible for that feeling. That loneliness or that waiting alone somewhere, that feeling is added by this space. So this you cannot call negative space. So negative space means a space in the photograph that doesn't have anything to do. Okay, if that empty space starts working for the photograph, emphasizing the main subject, then it is not a negative space. But in that photograph, let's say this one. Here, it's not it's not doing any purpose. It's not doing that kind of a purpose. Yeah. That's why it is negative. This empty space doesn't have any purpose here. It is not helping this main subject. That's why it is negative. The plus itself is not a negative or positive, whether it is useful or not to express the whole thing. Okay, any more question? I will take 2 more questions, I suppose, before I go to.
I guess you can continue, or should we call it a day then?
No, we cannot call it a day because I have the second part a little bit. But question answers, if there is no questions, then we can continue. Then we can go for the rest of the plan. And the rest of the plan, I have one photo I will take from Tridib. Okay, this is actually a great moment. Exactly says about jitu bostu ami dekhisu, jitu poribek dekhisu, jenekwa dhoroner manuhor poribektu ami dekhisu. The photograph itself says everything. 2 problems are there. One is that overlapping. This overlapping is one problem. And this piece of something that is a big problem. Otherwise, it's a very good photograph. I don't know how you can make it better in that situation. Etu homoyot kenekwa situation ki asil ba ki nai itadi. How to make it? Maybe I will include this one, or go towards the right to get both the faces, or whatever it is. But as a viewer, the end product, we will talk only about end product. In case of end product, these 2 faces, one merge, this overlap is not working, okay? And this piece is a bit distracting. Otherwise, it's a very good photograph. And one more interesting photograph was there by, let's see, this one by Dimpy. This is 16:9 ratio. I checked it before. This is 16:9 ratio. It is panoramic ratio. It's a very good composition. See, the composition is totally a successful composition, in my opinion. The light is very good. Okay, the heads here and this portion and opposite, these things are opposite, going on opposite direction, filling up the gap. Okay, just imagine these things are not there. Just imagine these birds are not here. That will be a nasty negative space. Now this negative space is filled by the, and they are going in the opposite direction, facing each other. So this is a very good composition, and good light and other. It's a good photograph. I like it. Color is good, plus exposure is good, sharpness is good, framing is good. Okay, the moment is good, everything is good. Okay, try it in 7:5 format. Let's see how it looks.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sanjeev Ji is, Sanjeev Boro is one of our very accomplished fashion photographer. I am actually following him from long, just always check his photographs and other.
Thank you, sir.
Very commendable job. Yeah, I like your job very much. Yeah, it's everything is fine. I thought that is a bit when it was small, it looks like a today's problem. It's kind of nothing much to say actually. This is a very good photograph, very good lighting, very good pose, and the color combination, and this what you are going, the props you are using, the looks and other. It's good, nothing to criticize about another. It's a very good one. Most of your photographs are good. Let's see the gun toting one. Okay, yeah, it's good for other people, for other who are present here, who will try to take fashion as a photographer and another. See, this is a very intelligently done crop here. Okay, the rule is do not cut it in the joint. Okay, that is applied very nicely here, because he is a very well experienced photographer. So do not cut it in the joint. মানে আঁঠুত কাটি দিব নালাগে, য'ত আঁঠু কিলাকুটি হাতৰ ৰিষ্ট এইবিলাক থাকে তাতে কেতিয়াও কাটা যাব নালাগে. That looks a bit odd. And these rim lights, backlights, attitudes, everything is fine. It is a pro job. I don't have much to say. And here's a photograph. I think, who is it? Tomal Bhattacharya. Something is not happening here. Something is not happening here. Got to walk a little bit more. Something is not happening here. You need something interesting it should happen. I think I will go horizontal here, not vertical. If I go vertical, I'm getting an extra something here on the top. I will, in this situation, what I will do, I will wait. I will think about a horizontal format. I will wait something to happen. Maybe somebody is busy not doing that or some other things. So it is just a record of a moment. Photographically, there will be there should be more something that makes somebody interested to you. There's two interesting photos here. There's two interesting photo. One is Sibani Kalita. Sibani Kalita is, yeah. This is a 1:1 crop ratio, square ratio. It works well. The subject itself fit like a this 1:1 ratio. All subjects doesn't fit 1:1 ratio. This is one of the one of the subject that fits this format 1:1. Very sharp, very good. You got the sharpness and things are there. A bit kind of other things are over here, but I will not talk much about it. বৰ বেছি নকৰো কথা হল যিটো স্কয়াৰ ফৰমেটত ক্ৰপ কৰা হৈছে বা স্কয়াৰ ফৰমেটত যিটো এৰেঞ্জমেন্ট কৰা হৈছে that is good. এনেকুৱা subject square formatত ধুনীয়াকৈ fit হয়. Some portraits also fits well in square format. Sharpness is very good. Another, some light issues are there that experience will tell you what to do. Now this one is the cropping or the portion you have taken is good, but this focus is not working. There is Upasana Sharma, no? Oh, Utpal Sharma, sorry. Utpal Sharma, you need more focus here. Maybe your aperture was not around f8, f11. Okay, that sort of aperture we will need, and you'll also need high shutter speeds because these blurriness coming because of the slow shutter, and all. So all you need is particularly eye photographs and other, you need good depth of field in your aperture so that everything gets sharp. It will also look good in a 1:1 format. There are some subjects that fits well in square format. I is one. We'll talk a little bit about this one. This one is a composite. It is framed well. Okay, initially, this person is in 1/2 kind of a thing, the way he is looking towards the moon and other. Okay, this is a composite shots. This is this kind of shots you'll find in surrealistic category kind of a thing. In here also, you can make the moon larger because it is a composite and you are expressing some kind of a vision in your mind. You can make the moon larger also. I'm not saying that this is looking bad, but experiment with some larger moon also, it will look good because this is a surrealistic kind of photography. It is not talking about what reality is. It is talking about some kind of vision you have in your head. So that's okay in case of fine art photography is another. So you can keep on experimenting. It will work. Some more photographs. No. Julfikar Ali. This is Julfikar Ali. This is a good way of doing things, but now foreground blur, a little bit blur in the foreground, and through that subframe kind of a thing, I mean, actual subject to dekha pao. That looks beautiful. Yet eta bostu bhalo hole ki hobo? First thing is that jitu bostu blurriness গছৰ পাত বা কিহবাই সৃষ্টি কৰিছে এই বস্তুটোৱে চৰাইটোৰ ওপৰত পৰি গৈছে that is one negative point যদি চৰাইটো অলপ ক্লিয়াৰত পোৱা যায় that will look better okay? Another thing is that light is working here in an opposite direction এই অঞ্চলবিলাক যদি অলপ ডার্ক হয় like this one and চৰাইটো bright হয় that will look better so from a darker to the brighter because what happens dark recedes and brightness jitu ase light comes forward soraitu jodiu pisot ase etia soraitu ke prothomote dekha jan lage etia ami ei green kini olop distracting hoise so it is only because of the light otherwise this kind of a frame with a blurry foreground is a very good idea and it works very well. Only the thing is that jodi okolman matro problem to etu ase ei brightness level to jodi ami control koribo paru aru yak jodi olop dark kor phale ni ei eleka to jodi bright koribo paru then it will look better tumi ever try kori sabo para nije for example another problem yat hoy ase ki it is ei jitu gosar pate blur sৃষ্টি korise এই পাতটোৱে চৰাইটোৰ ওপৰত পৰিছে কাৰণে চৰাইটো অলপ অফ হৈ আছে কিন্তু চৰাইটো শাৰ্পে আছে so that is one good thing another rule of third you are applying well plus চৰাইটো এফালে চাই আছে এফালে অলপ খালি জায়গা those are some basic things and other but it might work like that so etu eta মই এখন ফটো is good attempt মই কম ভাল attempt hoise and keneke use koribo lagise use koribo lage etu tumi gom paisa that is another good news plus keneko foreground dot kiba element blur kori ami eta sub frame type of sৃষ্টি kori subject to present koribo paru that you are doing well only that the light to jodi opposite hoy foreground dot jodi alop dark hoy aru iate jodi alop bright hoy that it will be perfect time Anupam Thakuria all you need is here sharpness and I don't know Cobra like to ahise you like to create it artificially or Cobra pa ahise itadi loi olop problem ase yat it looks like a lens flare enekwa photo okoman kosto to beshi koribo laga hoy first lens flare to sabo lagibo aru ditiyo kotha shutter speed lagibo depth of field to lagibo so otherwise and if I talk about composition prothomote moi jodi composition er kotha kau this is a good composition it is a good composition to khub bhal hoise etia kobo manhe je অলপ আগতে কৈছিলো যে কম্পোজিশনত বস্তুটো মাজত থলে দেখিবলৈ বেয়া হয় অলপ সাইডে টাইডে থব লাগে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যেটো রুল অফ থাৰ্ডৰ কথা আহে এখন ফটো রুল অফ থাৰ্ড ইমান এটা এপ্লিকেবল নহয় এখন ফটো রুল অফ থাৰ্ডটো কম্পোজ কৰিব পাৰে এটো নহয় যে রুল অফ থাৰ্ডত কম্পোজ নহব কিন্তু সেন্টাৰ কৰি কম্পোজ কৰিলো this photo will look good that is because the whole thing is a symmetrical something ute bostu to eta symmetry etu karone tak majot thakilo bhal lage but here some other problems are there First is sharpness problem ase, and some kind of a lens flare, a hazy type was to create korise. And actually I do not know from where it is coming. So one is the composition is good. Jodio center of composition is good because this is a symmetrical subject. And colors are very good. Yes. Colors are very good. Only problem is sharpness. It was natural light. Okay. Okay, got it. It is natural light. In that case, see, amar hatot eta bostu ami sadharanতে use নকৰো amar logot camera logot jitu আমি কওঁ lens hood. This lens hood is a very important part of the camera. এই এনেকুৱা ক্ষেত্ৰত ইয়াত যদি lens hood লগোৱা হয় বা lens এতিয়া এই যে যিটো flare create হৈছে, that is because যিটো সানৰ ৰ'দৰ পোহৰ আছে, পোহৰটো লেন্সখনৰ ফ্ৰণ্টত পৰিছে। লেন্সৰ ফ্ৰণ্টত পৰাৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ল, ই এই শাৰ্পনেছটো কমাই দিছে আৰু হেজিনেছ এটা ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিছে। গতিকে লেন্সখন যদি আমি পোহৰটো কাটি দিব পাৰো, যিটো কাৰণে লেন্স হুড ইউজ কৰিব পাৰি, ইট ইজ ইউ ৰি-এডিট ইট। অলপ অভাৰ এক্সপ'জ আছে, ৰি-এডিট ইট এণ্ড মেক ইট ডাৰ্ক। চি see the spider is already burned. These things are brighter than it should be. So I think 1.5 stop down. If it is a raw photograph, then you underexpose, you reprocess it by underexposing it, and it will look better than this. Just if you have time, you reprocess it, make it underexposed, and inbox me if you like. Quickly, I will go through 1, 2 or more photographs here. This is by Devajani. Yeah, you are getting the idea of how to place your subject and other. Okay, this is a good attempt. It's a good one. You have some smaller booths here and the person not in the middle, in the side and other. So you are going in the right direction. Yeah, the problem is I will not talk about the problem first. I will talk about what is good about it. The good about it is that you eta bostu bisari paise. যে মই কিবা এটা দেখিছো আৰু দেখাৰ পিছত মোৰ মনত এটা ভাৱ হৈছে যে এই ফটোখন ভাল হ'ব, দেখিবলৈ ভাল হ'ব। That is the good thing. এতিয়া আউটকামটো এতিয়া মই মাৰিলে বেলেগ হ'ব কাৰণ মোৰ এক্সপেৰিয়েন্স বেছি, আপুনি মাৰিলে অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ হ'ব কাৰণ আপোনাৰ এক্সপেৰিয়েন্স কম। সেইটো এটা বেলেগ, that is a relative issue. এটোৰ লগত প্ৰবলেম ইমান এটা ডাঙৰ প্ৰবলেম নহয়। That problem can be overcome. But the good thing is that you have seen something and you felt that it can be a good photograph. That is the best part of it. So here you need only a little bit more precise in your framing. This frame is a little bit larger than it should. All of the main subject to dilute hoi goise and a part of I say. Otherwise, I think otherwise this is a good that is not possible. If you go for something like this, then it will be more precise. Otherwise, The good thing is that you are seeing things. Photograph koribo pora ki bostu hobo lage. He bostu dekha poa. That is the first criteria and you have it. Tar pisot tak kenekoi dhunia photo ekhon koribo pare. That experience will lead you to that. Hetu bor dangor kotha nohoy. Experience it will take care of you. This is Asim Juti. It's a good photograph again. And the best part of is this, no, this person showing that, no, and other, this photograph is interesting because of this hand. Otherwise, it is a common photograph. There will be hundreds of photographs, similar kind of photographs in the old day. In the Tetia Hitudina, eneko photo hajar hobo. A photo majot stand out hobole ki koribo lage. So this hand is creating that element. So always try to find out elements jitue photo konok kiba eta notunotto dibo pare. Kiba eta interesting point dibo pare jitue photo konok anotkoi beleg koribo pare. Tan eneko eta situationot 50-60 jon photographer thakibo. Sobe eketa jagar pora maribo. Muti. So more or less sub photo ekei hobo. এই একে ফটো বিলাকৰ মাজত অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ মূল ফটোখন কেনেকে কৰে ইউ নিড দ্যাট থিংকিং প্ৰথম ক্ৰাইটেৰিয়াটো হ'ল দ্যাট থিংকিং যে হাউ টু মেক মাই ফটোগ্ৰাফ এ লিটল বিট ডিফাৰেণ্ট দেন আদাৰ্স more interesting than others that is your first criteria সেইটো থাকিলে নিজে বিচাৰি পাবা যে কোনটো বস্তু কেনেকে কি কৰিলে ফটোখন ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং হয় this hand actually made it more interesting. Basic photo naga aru I think Surajit has given good light first. I was also there. This is a good timing. More timing to man bhal nol. But I like the light here and the composition, the movement of the rhino and everything. Okay, this is a good photograph. Nothing to say much about it. Okay, this is a good disproportion in the front. Although that open space in the front is also good. Okay, not less, not more. Okay, and that line is also creating and it's taking to an interesting something happening there and other. The movement of the rhino that is giving what especially this light here okay that is giving it more interesting moment. Another photograph almost all photographs are done. Tapan Pandit is there. Let's say Tapan Pandit. I like this. It's a good one. If I shoot the same photograph, I will try to find a gap between this, the umbrella and the boat. Umbrella aru boat tur majot common gap eta jodi moi create koribo paro, I will look for that. Maybe I will shoot it from a little bit more right, aru common right opra moi shoot korim. Aru olop space ei foreground aru olop space ifale rakhi. এই লাইনটো অকমান ওপৰলৈ যোৱা 50-50 ল্যান্ডস্কেপত আমাৰ অৰিজিনালি সদায় 50-50 হ'বই if you are not conscious about it you cannot make it automatically you have to be conscious দুটা বস্তু আমাক কনসিয়াস হ'বই লাগিব এটা হ'ল horizon tilt to হ'বই আজিৰ ডেটটো horizon মোৰ tilt হয় সবৰে tilt হ'ব that is body ergonomy লগত কিবা এটা গণ্ডগোল আছে ক্যামেৰা আৰু তৃতীয় কথা হ'ল এই horizon to 50-50 naturally horizon to 50-50 তে আহি পৰে I think I will do that kind of a thing if I take the same shot I will try to put the horizon a bit upper level like that way little bit more of this portion of the land if aru common writer ifale kiba kori thaka and I will try to keep a gap in between and more space in the front a little bit less space on the back. Otherwise, this is a very good photograph. I will go for only one more photograph here. This is this is one of the most interesting photograph. Kishuman photograph, I mean, নিজে চালে গম পাওঁ কিছুমান photograph বহুত photographer থাকে that can happen only once. কিছুমান moment আছে যিটো মাত্ৰ এবাৰে হয়. This moment I think আৰু এবাৰ এনেকে হোৱাটো সম্ভৱ নহয়. This is obviously surrealistic kind of a photograph. ইয়াত অকমান নেভাবিলে ফটোখন দেখি ভাল নালাগে. It looks like a two world. Then পৃথিৱীখন কিবা টাইম ৱাৰ্প টাইপৰ ন ইয়াতে কিবা এটা টাইম পৰ্টেল আছে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যে মানুহটো এফালে গৈ এফালে নাইকিয়া হৈ মানে সায়েন্স ফিকশন বিলাকত আমি তেনেকা দেখা পাওঁ see exactly the way the human half of the human is covered no আৰু আধা আছে যেনেকে হি এফালৰ পৰা গৈ হি নাইকিয়া হৈ যাব বেলেগ এটা টাইম পৰ্টেলত গুচি যাব এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ এই ফিলিং ইত্যাদি okay but there is nothing distracting in the photograph again that is a kind of a discipline you need at a diagonal form textures in the front these things three-dimensional feeling to yet totally three-dimensional feeling ase aru logot jiman ji bostu ase yat bahut bostu ase enekwa etao bostu nai jitu distracting if these things are diagonal then everything is going diagonal if this particular so enekwa ta yata jodi khuta ata eneka pori thakile heten etu distraction hobe tingor a piece to enekwa ata geometric shape ot porise develop distraction jen na lage so hey view finder or majedi swa pithibikon beleg ei bostu tu practice koribo lage আমি যদি যে ন্যাচারাল আই জিটু আমি যদি চাই থাকো একটা বস্তুৱে তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ এই ফিলিংস বিলাক নাহে কাৰণ ন্যাচারাল আই আমাক ধুনিয়াকে এডজাস্ট কৰি লয় কিন্তু ফটোটো তুলি দিয়া লগে লগে it become an artificial something তো distraction বিলাক ওলাই যায় so always try to be neat and clean in your photograph যে কোনো ডিস্ট্রাক্টিং এলিমেন্ট নাই এলিমেন্ট মানে বহুত থাকিব পাৰে এইলা বহুত এলিমেন্ট আছে এলিমেন্টস ইয়াত বহুত আছে এটো নহয় যে জায়গাটো খালি হ'ব লাগিব পৰ্দা এখনৰ পিছফালে ফটো মাৰি দিলো নো এলিমেন্টস ইটস নট লাইক দ্যাট ওয়ে রিয়েল পৃথিবীত এলিমেন্টস থাকিব কিন্তু those elements should fit in such a way that they do not become distracting ইয়াতে যদি খুটা এটা এনেকে পৰি থাকে that will be distracting. So everything is in a geometric shape. Every geometric shape is complementing each other. এই বস্তুবিলাক দেখা পাব লাগে above all it is a very unusual situation and it is taking you to a very unusual kind of feeling a surrealistic kind of feeling that the person is disappearing into another world kind of এই mark tour pura jodi teu efale gusi jay he will kind of disappear that kind of a feeling is coming okay it happens enekwa photograph eto nohoy je ami tulibo noarim everybody can ami sobe tulibo pare only the thing is that you have to discipline yourself you have to focus yourself and you have to culture your mind in such a way that you start seeing these things around you so almost there so and almost towards the end now before I come to the end I will show you a workflow of mine yeah I will show you a workflow of mine see out of these 4 photographs there were 7 photographs 2 photographs are repetitive so I didn't bring it here see for one moment. যেনেকুৱা এটা সিচুৱেশ্যনত যেতিয়া ফটো এখন তুলিব যাওঁ সেই সিচুৱেশ্যনটো কেনেকৈ ইউটিলাইজ কৰিব পাৰি কেনেকৈ ইউটিলাইজ কৰি তাৰ পৰা বেষ্ট আউটকামটো নিজে ভবা মতে উলিয়াব পাৰি কেতিয়াবা তাতে একেটা সিচুৱেশ্যনতে দুই তিনটা ভেৰিয়েশ্যনৰ বস্তু আহিব পাৰে তো ৱৰ্কিং আউট দ্য সিচুৱেশ্যনটোক আমি খুব ইউটিলাইজ কৰি যেটাকে আমি ম্যাক্সিমাম বেনিফিট তাৰ পৰা পাব পাৰো সেইটো কাৰণে কৰিব এনে শটটো মাৰিলো গুছি আহিলো এনেকা নহয় work around the things try to find out always take several shots eta shots ti নহয় always take several shots suppose this one again here this is a good one yata region bilak hol suppose this dog is sleeping another then I included this one also because it is creating a balance. Okol kukur to that will be a very ordinary kind of a photograph. And rastat kukur eta hui ase, not interesting. Rastat kukur hui thake, isn't it? But adding this element here, that make it interesting. Then again I saw another dog is coming. Another dog is coming. Again it is a third element joining here. So again, an interesting kind of a conversation, interesting kind of a element. Into yata problem hoy gol ki. See on the top here. That's one problem. Actually, that I was trying to avoid. Keneke avoid koribo pari. Etia khub besi avoid kori dile olop efale ratio to komi jay. Gotike okoman thaki gol. Okay, that is one point, but I can crop it out another. But the point is that you have to see it. Ekon photo jetia tuli asu more concentration to iate ses hoi gole nohobo. Dhuniya position hoise eta hui ase eta saise logot ei element to ase photo kon dhuriya hoise. Ekhinite samapto hole nohobo. You have to look around if there is any problem in the situation. So that was a problem. Second shot, again something happened here. This interesting. Again, interesting things that the duta kukura pra goi tinta kukur. This is done in PCA photo again last Ganesh Guru. Yar pra interesting hol ki eta kukura pra goi duta hol, duta pra goi tinta hol. Interesting. Korea opportunity. But again here, first 2-3 shots, I couldn't get a good shot. First thing is that what's not good. First thing is that tinta kukur ase hoy, but this thing is overlapping. This is not interesting. No, it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't creating any nice composition kind of a thing. Plus that rickshaw over there, that cars coming out, these are distractions. Okay, এই বস্তু বিলাকো দেখিব লাগিব বঢ়িয়াকে তিনটা কুকুৰ আছে ফটো মাৰিলো গুছি আহিলো ন তিনটা কুকুৰৰ পজিশনটো কেনেকুৱা হলে দেখিবলৈ ভাল লাগিব distraction থাকিবনে নাথাকে যদি distraction আছে তেতিয়াহলে how I can avoid it those sort of calculation is necessary. Then again I come to this, then I waited, take 3-4 shots. Okay, now the distraction is, now it is 3 dogs making a nice triangle and the anchor point also here. Those distraction is gone. There's a tilted up my camera a bit. Okay, tilted it up and I got the triangular shape and they are interesting poses and other. That guy is still sleeping, no distraction out there. That anchor point is still there. That way you finish your job. Okay, here I have taken a 7 to 8 photographs to get 2 photographs out of it. One is this and one is this, and this is a rejection. Okay, and if I crop it, then it's okay. Okay, otherwise let's say 3 photographs. I have taken 7 shots, 7 or 8 shots and got 3 photographs. So you have to work that way. Do not leave the situation if something interesting happening there. Okay, plus keep shooting, keep finding out what is interesting happening there. Plus always keep your eye যে কোনো যেন ডিস্ট্ৰেক্টিং এলিমেণ্ট ফ্ৰেমটো বনোৱাৰ পিছত এই ফ্ৰেমত কিবা কিবি বস্তু সোমাই যাতে ফ্ৰেমটো বেয়া নকৰে সেইটো প্ৰতি চকু ৰাখিব লাগিব প্লাছ যিকেইটা ছাবজেক্ট আছে সেই ছাবজেক্ট কেইটাই ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিং কিবা কৰিছে নে নাই এইটো এটা চকু ৰাখিব লাগিব ইত্যাদি ইত্যাদি বহুত কথা চাব লাগিব so this is the working flow or shooting flow how your work flow should go in any certain situation jikono landscape koribo golo tenekwa hobo lagbe what you see in the first place okay that is very obvious scout the area try to find out different angle ঠিক তেনেকে আমি যদি ট্রাভেল ফটো কৰিব যাও তাতো তেনেকুৱা পোর্ট্রেট কৰিব যাও তাতো তেনেকুৱা you have to walk around and you have to find you have to skip the obvious সিধা এতিয়া ধৰক কামাখ্যালৈ গৈছো ফটো তুলিবলৈ কামাখ্যাত গৈ সিধা obvious কি আছে ফ্ৰন্টত থিয় হৈ দিলে কামাখ্যা টেম্পলটো that is too obvious all next photo will be like that so avoid that obvious move around try to find your own angle try to find your own composition try to find something that nobody has seen Kamakhya temple like that before teneke jikono khetrote koribo pari jikono khetrot the point is that avoid the obvious bostutu avoid kori avoid mane ki mo 10 ta photo taru mari lobo paru hetu belek kotha কিন্তু you should always know আমি এটু মনত জনা উচিত যে সাধাৰণতে আমি যেটো obviously দেখা পাও that doesn't make a good photograph এই obvious বস্তুটোৰ পৰা উলাই গৈ যদি আমি কিবা এটা unusual situation ফটো তুলিব পাৰো that will be more interesting আৰু হেতু কৰিব যাওতে আমি নিজকে সময় দিব লাগিব concentrate kori thakibo lagibo totally focused thakibo lagibo in your composition pura disciplined way compose koribo lagibo then you are going to get some good photograph all these are practice plus ako bhabi pabo lagibo bhabi poa to main important so everybody I think maybe it will work it will come to use মই মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা চেষ্টা কৰিলো আৰু I think we will work আৰু সবে ভাল ফটো তুলিব চেষ্টা কৰিম ফটো ভাল মানে actually thinking ভাল হলে ফটো ভাল হ'ব এটা বস্তু মই বিৰাট ভাল পাওঁ নিজে কই যে only a beautiful mind can take a beautiful photograph মনটোৰ ওপৰত বহুত কথা সো মনটোক তেনেকে খজাব লাগিব ইতিহে ফটো বিলাক ভাল হ'ব আৰু প্ৰেক্টিস খুব লাগিব আৰু খুব ডিসকাশন হ'ব লাগে নিজৰ মাজত এনে ফটো দি থকাতকৈ সৰু মেসেঞ্জাৰত গ্ৰুপ বনাব লাগে ন সৰু মেসেঞ্জাৰত গ্ৰুপ বনাব লাগে নিজৰ মাজত ডিসকাশন কৰিব লাগে ফটো ভাল হোৱা বেয়া হোৱা ডিসকাশন কৰিব লাগে আৰু যিবিলাকে অলপ ধৰলক ফটো বিষয়ে জানে হেবিলাকক নিজৰ ফটো দি suggestion লব লাগে ইত্যাদি so you have to work on your no নিজে ভাল হ'বলে কিছুমান নিজে ভাল ফটো এখন কৰিবলৈ হলে you have to do something yourself only photo তুলি আন্ধাৰত ঘূৰি ফুৰাতকে মানে এটা ডাইৰেকশন পাবৰ কাৰণে কিবা কিবি এবিলাক চেষ্টা কৰি থাকিব লাগে make groups messenger groups WhatsApp groups among yourself and keep talking about photographs it helps okay thank you very much I think this is the end of the session okay goodbye everybody